If I were versus if I was. Ang hack dyan na mabilis, kapag hindi totoo, if I were. Kapag totoo, if I was. Ang if I were kasi ginagamit sa hypothetical situations, mga imaginary situations or wishes. Halimbawa, if I were a millionaire, if I were to be Miss Universe, if I were you. Okay? Hindi naman magiging ako ikaw or ikaw ako. If I were a boy, kung halimbawang babae kang nagsasalita. So lahat ng to, mga situations na hindi totoo. Unreal, imaginary, hypothetical. Ang if I was naman, something na nangyari talaga in the past. Totoo siya, fact siya, real siya. So halimbawa, kinukwento mo yung childhood mo, sasabihin mo, if I was good, I would get candies. Take note na rin na kahit hindi ka sure na nangyari siya in the past, pero it may really have happened. Pwede ka rin gumamit ng if I was. Halimbawa, if I was rude to you yesterday, I'm so sorry. Ga-apologize ka ngayon kasi baka nga rude ka talaga sa kanya yesterday, hindi mo lang sure.